Hello, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Siri as the text-to-speech for your TikTok videos. If you have an iPhone, you are good to go because you can use Siri as the text-to-speech, and then you can write down text on your video, and you can use this tool for your TikTok videos and get more likes, get more views, get more followers. You know what I mean? So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is jump on TikTok. Once we're on TikTok, what we have to do is click on the create to post button. It's the plus button on the bottom of your screen. You click on that, now your camera will pop up. Here what we need to do is shoot the video over which we are going to add the text to speech. So for this instance, I'm going to shoot the video of my headphone. But before shooting the video, we need to take care of one thing. The video can't be shorter than the text. Otherwise, the text will get interrupted when the video ends. So we need to make sure that the length of the video is longer than the text that we need Siri to read out. So once that's clear, now I'll shoot the video, a small clip of my headphone for this example. Now, okay, I'm done with recording the video. Now, what I need to do is, first things first, I need to remove the noise. By noise, I mean any audio that we recorded with our mic. We're going to remove those, go to audios, and from here, uncheck the original clip and the edit noise. Once done with that, we tap on the screen and we'll write something like headphones are cool. So once that's done, we'll pick a style that we think suits the video. So for this, I'll take this style and just place it on top of the video so it won't cut off the headphone. So now, once we are done with this, once you place the text at the right place, what you need to do is click on the text. Once you click on the text, you get an option just like this one. Now here, we're going to click on the first one. It says text to speech. Once I click there, it's going to do a little bit of loading, and then it'll read it out loud saying headphones are cool. So
Headphones are cool.
as you can see, Siri read the text that I wrote on this video. So this is how you can use the text to speech and use Siri Voice to read the text on top of your video. This is pretty much how you can get Siri to read the text from your video. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, comment if you have any question. I'll show you the best way to do it. And yeah, subscribe, press the bell icon to stay updated for future videos. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.